guys, I am back and yeah, I had to use my son's truck to get all my boxes from a storage unit. It's like, oh my gosh. So, and I'd made a trip yesterday. So yeah, I need to thin out the Christmas stuff, but right now I enjoy it, so I'm going to keep doing it, but it's a lot of work. Anywho, I am going to I opened day one. Cute, cute, cute. That is so cute. Day two. These are so cute. Look at these little stocking. Perfect for charms. So I'll open day three. Oh my gosh. So thank you, thank you. Okay. And in the middle of all this chaos, so I placed another order. I am not sponsored by Peddler's Pack or anything like that. Stamp Peddler. I just have fallen in love. She sent me those stamps, Margaret and I, and now I'm like hooked. So the reason I made my second order is I wanted these, and they are like 8 something, but you get 12. My goal is to make some for gifts this year. So little sticky pads. I think I have yesterday I got home Saturday. Yesterday went to Margaret's, and she has a wreath decorating. So I've got that up on my door. So yeah, see, a little sticky. So I ordered that, so then, you know, you gotta get over the amount. So I don't know if this, I'm gonna show you, I colored in all my images from the last order and this order. Look at these. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at them looking through the window. Oh my gosh. I got this one. And I have not done anything other than color the images, so just to say. And she gave me this one as my freebie, which is, you don't have to do that, Joyce, but thank you so much. Oh my gosh, look it. And then the sweet, sweet angel. Oh, and she's got her lammy there. Oh my gosh. So let me show you. I had some from last time too, but I added stickles to them. So here is the angel. I colored up and kind of, I went lavender. Don't know why, but I think it turned out pretty. This one took quite a while. Now, let me see if I can find it here. She sent me a sweet card. Yes, and I can't find my embossing heat gun. Oops. Anyway, look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh. So she did the gold embossing around it. So that's my goal. Once I find I took it to Margaret's when we did the busted canvases. So I went around with Dollar Tree metallic, and I'm going to cut that out, the outside. But yeah, so pretty. And then I did the gold metallic on the you know, the veins. So I did that one. And here's one that I had from the last time, and I just added some stickles to that. Isn't that cute? And then here's this one. I added stickles to him. Look at him. This is a new one that I got. Oh my gosh. Look at that scarf. So cute. So I just added stickles to the snow areas to give it some where snow would land, right? Then I got, well, here's that Santa peeking out through the window. I don't know that I should have done this in that blue, but grayish blue, but I did, so, you know. I just think it's so cute, though. They're all just peeking in. Santa Claus is coming to town. And I just got the cling. I didn't get them mounted. And I've said before, she does such a great job of including a picture, a stamped image of what's in there. So it solves that problem of, you know, I like the wood stamps because I can see what they are. So, and then I have this one. Now these could be cut out individually like little stamps too, which I don't know if I'll do that or not. But I colored those in. That was super easy. Those were quick and easy. Nothing. Could do these watercolor, whatever. So, yeah. Wanted to share that. What I've been playing around with in between. Hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. I sure did, but man, I'm used to living alone. It's like girls running around in circles. It was so cute. Vienna's 2, 2.5. And she would run around the house to Frozen. Let go! Let go! To let it go. Let go! Let go! So cute. Oh my gosh. So yes, my heart was filled with joy, I'll tell you. This is silly, but I got this. I could not find just regular freezer bags, so I thought, oh, these are kind of fun. Ziploc snowflake ones. Yeah. Oh, let me see. Oh, Shelly Jones sent me a card. I have not opened it. She put this on the back. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Oh, what a nice look at that snowman. I think I might have that stamp. That is so cute. Oh, I love how you added the sticker. Good job. Oh my gosh. Thank you, thank you. So sweet. And look at the edging. It looks like snow. It has been frosty. Winter wishes. Not frosty like that kind of, but not frosty. Foggy all day. And it's just never, a little bit of the day got nice, but. Merry Christmas, your crafty friend. Look at that. Good man. Very nice. Thank you, thank you. Christmas 2024. That is so sweet. Thank you. She says she's happy my trailer is fine. Me too. I like this stamp too. Very cute. Okay, so thank you, Shelly. I'm going to take this die cut off and use it. Don't let anything go to waste here. So, oh, and on the back of Joyce's from Peddler's Pack, she had this on my card. Not pretty, so I'm going to keep that. So yeah, I went and got my stuff yesterday and today. It's like, oh my gosh. Yeah, I mean, I just have a small space. But as long as I'm enjoying it, I can afford the storage. I know it's ridiculous, but it is what it is. I don't have a double, I have a single garage that's stuffed to the gills too. Anywho. But you know, as long as I'm enjoying it, I do need to thin it out though. It's like every year I buy more. Okay, Paper Terrace, I'm part of her monthly Patreon group. And she sent this. Isn't that pretty? She's been sick, poor honey. So, thank you. So she lined it with this. So it's just this little fold, and then it has this cute little paper clip. Little snowflake. Oh, look at the stickers. Cute. Vintage pink. So it's just things from her, you know, junk journals type stash. Feed the birds, feed the birds. Oh, okay. So it's just some Paper Terrace, November 20. Oh, very cool. Oh, wow. Very cool. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love this. So vintage looking postcard. So that was from her. It was all closed with a pretty ribbon. Okay, so then I had an adventure at Joann's, as we all do. It was the end of yesterday. So I'm gonna eat one of these. Joyce sent me some candy too. Oh jeez. Anyway, let me chew on candy while I talk to you. So I went there after the wreath building, and or making or whatever. Well, we don't need to open this anyway. All the signs were down for the weekend sale, Black Friday sale. So it was hard to tell what was on sale, what wasn't, blah, blah, blah. This didn't have a sign by it, so I was going to use my 50 off, but it was 30% off of $19.99. But I liked that they were slimline in all these different colors. Envelopes, what do you get? Cards and 80 each of cards and envelopes. And I got this doily. It was a, you know, cloth doily. And there was a pile of them in 2 different places that said $1.97. So I thought, well, you know, that'd be cool. $8 something. I got out to my card and I went, I'm not paying $8 for something I didn't even really want. So I went back in, but I still got my 10 off or whatever it was. So this came to $7.99. This is Timmy. I don't think I just bought this one. I gotta look at my stash. I have a memory like a flea, I'm telling you. I like this. This goes with the papers. Cute, cute, and more cute. Look at that snowman on the Santa. Kind of a 50s looking. So I have their paper, so that goes with it. And this goes with the other one. This looks very Tim Holtzy, right? Look at that snow. Scandinavian. But this one right here. He is on, Simon Says they're selling, he comes out with a get it free if you spend $25, I think. But they're, every year he comes out with something for them, dye-wise, and you showed putting it together. I was like, yeah, I'm not doing that. It was one of those multi-piece for shading and stuff, light gray. I was like, yeah, no thank you. Anyway, this was on sale. I think it was $7. I don't remember. I thought this was cool though. You know, you could do this and make it look like one of like this wax melts. So I think all this was 60 off. I'm sorry, I don't have the original. I had to go in, and then I don't have the original. What is it? Receipt. I can talk. Okay. This is Amazon. I bought this because, if I like it, I'll do it for my crafty friends. But you cut it off here and then go into the glue, have a little thing of glue, dab this in there and go on your item, and it'll, you know, do it without a bunch of glue oozing out, so on your little pieces. Because yes, I have the artist tack, but sometimes I don't have that around me, so I thought, well, this would be cool. So I'm going to try it. So she said just to cut it off. I don't remember who she was, but she was demonstrating. And I'll keep this one for my barbecuing at my trailer because it's okay. I still can't get in there. But I don't know why I put the kids' Christmas gifts in there. It's like, because otherwise I wouldn't be like, okay, whatever, you know. My stuff in my fridge is gone, and I don't remember who said to get this. I think it was Jen, Strawberry Cream 29, but I don't know for sure. Adhesive backed, and this is kind of a goldy yellow. Felt. And then I couldn't stop with that, so then I got this one. I, again, don't know how much. Sorry, I'm cutting my head off here. But I wanted the Christmas colors. Now, I have the Biggs dies that would cut through this really well. My goal is to use some, but you know how that goes. I mean, 2 days to just put up all my Christmas. Oh boy. Anyway, and Vienna and her family are coming. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to put non-breakable low. And if she breaks something, that's just one less thing I got to pack away or decide whether or not to keep it. If it's anything that I'm just like, oh, I don't ever want that to give that away, then I'll make sure I put it up high out of her reach. So, yeah. But anyway, I hope you guys all had a good Thanksgiving. My son did the driving there and back. We made it safe and sound. I kept offering to drive, but nope, he was like, no, I'm good, Mom. I'm like, okay, oh, there we go. Sorry about that. Anyway, so we had a good time, and the girls being together, they went in the hot tub and all, but Vienna can't go in yet. She's too little. But yeah, just having all my family, you know how that is. We all have that experience when you have your family together. It's just awesome. So, all right, you guys, I hope you had a great Thanksgiving, and I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.